Hello there. This is Fred from quickhacks.com. Today in this tutorial, I will be guiding you on how to set up free SSL with auto-renew for WordPress Click to deploy on Google Cloud. Before we get started, make sure you have already 1. Installed WordPress Click to deploy on Google Cloud. 2. Set up domain name for WordPress Click to deploy on Google Cloud using Cloudflare. And 3. You are running the Click to deploy version for WordPress on Google Compute Engine. Let's get started. Click on the navigation menu icon in the upper left corner from your Google Cloud dashboard. Scroll down. Click on Compute Engine, and then click on Virtual Machines. Click on the SSH link, next to the instance you have just deployed to open a terminal. Wait as the SSH terminal loads. Run the command lsb_release, hit the space bar and then enter -a and then hit the Enter key on your keyboard to check the operating system type and version. Take note of the operating system version. Open a new browser tab and navigate to certbot.eff.org. Scroll down, click on Software, select Apache from the list, then click on System, and select your version from the list. On the next page, scroll down again, copy the command line from Step 2, and then paste the command line in the SSH machine to install certbot. When prompted on additional disk space usage, respond with Y, and hit the Enter key to continue. Navigate back to the browser tab where certbot is opened. Scroll down, and then copy the command as Step 3. Switch back to the SSH machine, and then paste the command to get an SSL certificate. Enter your email address when prompted, and hit the Enter key to continue. Respond with A, and then hit the Enter key to continue when prompted with the Let's Encrypt terms of service. Next, you are prompted to opt in for newsletter from Electronic Frontier Foundation, a Let's Encrypt partner. Respond with Y for yes to opt in or N for no, and then hit the Enter key to continue. In the next phase, enter your domain name in 2 versions. One in the form example.com and the next in the form www.example.com. Please be sure to separate both versions with a space. And also to replace example.com and www.example.com with your domain. Next, choose your virtual host by responding with 2 or the number which your domain name is associated with, and then hit the Enter key to continue. Next, Respond with 2 and hit the Enter key to enable HTTPS redirection for your domain. To test auto-renew, switch back to the Certbot tab in your browser and then copy and paste the command line from Step 4 into the SSH machine. You should receive a response in the SSH machine telling you all renewals succeeded. To close the SSH machine, type in exit and hit the Enter key. Log in to your WP admin dashboard. Navigate to Settings, and then to General. Update your URLs by replacing the HTTP in both fields with HTTPS. Scroll down, and then click on the Save button to update your changes. Navigate to sslshopper.com/ssl-checker.html. Enter your domain name, and then click on the Check SSL button. Check the returned report to make sure everything is in the right order. If the returned report is as in this video, then you succeeded in this tutorial. That's it. Drop your comment below and I will respond as soon as I can. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our Facebook, Instagram and Twitter pages for updates as they are posted. You should also check our website, quickhacks.com, for more on cloud tutorials, life hacks, DIY and how-to, and food recipes. Thanks for watching.